You're looking at a 2017 Kia Niro hybrid touring with 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, 33,000 miles. This car comes loaded up. ABS, traction, stability control, alloy wheels, keyless entry, blind spot monitors. The number's right over here. The two-tone interior, full power options with lumbar support, navigation, backup camera, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, clean air package, 12 volts for both sides, auxiliary USB, heated seats for the front, push start, Bluetooth obviously, cruise control, blind spot monitors, I think I already stated that, dual zone climate control. Car's in excellent shape, Harman Kardon sound system. And it's got almost all the bells and whistles. Rear vents as well. Absolutely no stories with this car. If you're interested, please give us a call. Our phone number is 508-921-0301. Again, that's 508-921-0301. Thank you.